Okay. It's just a little bit funny. Anyway, it's Monday, September 26th, about 8:45 in the morning. Got here last night late, opened up camp in the dark. Camp coffee is cooking. Put my yellow beam boots on. It's just a beautiful, miserable, dank Adirondack day out there. I think it's going to be real nice. I have this week in the September edition 2022 of the off-grid season, I have the Jim Hammond and ADK Solar coming. I have my mason Timmy Tedford coming, and we're going to work on the gate, going to set the scaffolding up. Breathe. We just got a lot of work to do. It's going to be a great work week. The colors really haven't started to change that I've seen yet, and I've heard a lot of rain, which I kind of like. You know, it's been not a deluge, but a nice gentle rain that's feeding the Adirondack forest floor. So everything's looking good. So this still has to go to edit when I get back, but I hope everybody really enjoys this September edition of the Off-Grid. I also will be fishing in Champlain, which should be, and possibly Saranac Lakes, which should be excellent. The end of September is always a premier time to fish. So I hope you guys are looking forward to keeping up. There's my Murphy bed unmade, of course. I put 5 blankets on, so they weighed about 10 pounds. And I opened the window. I have it closed now. It's just an old Adirondack clean air camp thing. I hope you guys really enjoy this late September edition, and we'll get back to you. In the meantime, I hope that everybody really enjoys their camp coffee. I think it's getting to around 6:30. It gets dark earlier in the fall, and it'll continue to lose time. We had a rough day today, hard work day. I'll try and show some tomorrow, but I was just running around getting Timmy going. We mixed up one good batch of cement. There's a mixer, hasn't been used in a couple seasons. You can hear the generator in the background. Hopefully that'll be over. Like I said, Jim Hammond from ADK is coming. He's going to be installing the solar. Here's the road to the solar field. What a project that was last season. Go back and look at our videos. You'll see some tremendous work done. And it rained today in the afternoon. It was nice in the morning. Some rock, and I covered both of the gate posts which started. I'll get back to you in 1 second. I'm going to turn the camera off, and since it was raining, I covered them with tarpaulins so that they wouldn't get wet. I don't know how well it's going to turn out. We'll try and film tomorrow of some of Tim Tedford's. He's a master mason. Just does some of the best work I've ever seen. He's my good friend. I'll shoot tomorrow of this going on. ADK Solar is going to be here, and I believe Chris Palumbo and his daughter Mia are coming up. So I got a serious crew, and so we'll be showing some good hard work around the camp almost at the end of the season. I'll probably be up another 2 times, once in October, once more in October, and then the end of the season, which I usually have to see how that plays out. I don't like pulling my boat back in a foot of snow. So okay guys, here we are, September 27th, big day, September 27th, 2022. I closed down the camera last night because it was raining. I wanted to show you the base that Timmy Tedford and I got started, but it was raining, so I had to cover everything up. I had a ton of here we are standing under the the beautiful roof over. There's a look. The mixer is being used now. We're just going to go up with these gate posts. Now the big news today is that ADK Solar is here, and I'm going to go over that quickly with you. Timmy and I set the scaffolding up on the utility building, and we removed a large piece in the back so that the generator could breathe. But here, finally, a long time coming, is ADK Solar. They're here, and they're what are they doing? They are assembling the panels for the rack for the panels. Which looks like really heavy duty. So it's looking good. Yeah, it's all heavy duty stuff, huh? And there's the strut. So they're getting going. It's very exciting. Hopefully they'll be done before I leave, and I'll give you a view. Beautiful sunlight now. There's the sun, here's the panel. So that's it's looking good. All right, I'm going to sign out for right now, and I'll show you a little of Timmy's work in a minute. Okay, and as promised, September 27th, Tuesday, September 27th, light rain. ADK Solar is here, but my master mason, as promised, is working. Mr. Tim Tedford, and it's starting to really spritz, but he's got the two gate posts I showed you last night. And we're coming up. There's a piece of steel in there. The rebar. Just poured a massive footer. And now they're 30 by 30, the stonework. It's a little bit rough right now, but it's going up. He's been doing masonry longer than... Say what?
Doing your Comcast?
Yeah. He's been doing masonry longer than I've been doing plumbing. But...
See ya, y'all.
What? So these are 30 by 30. Here's some of the rock I pulled. These little stones. And
Okay, time for the camera to go.
So what, Timbo?
See ya. I said, see ya.
See you later.
Yeah. See you later. Time for the camera to go.
Okay. Timmy just canceled his Hollywood contract, so we'll get back to you later. When after Timmy strikes up the joints, I'll be, if it doesn't rain too hard, I'll be finishing them off. And we'll take a look at the finished product for Tuesday, September 27th.